So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. Now to get here, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Then you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You're going to repeat this 3 times. So you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Repeat this quickly 3 times. And then on the 4th time when you do it, it will then take you into this screen. And then once you're on this screen, I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Repair. If you do not see Startup Repair, you're going to click on SEMA Recovery Options, then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on Startup Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC, wait for this to load. Hopefully this will fix your problem. If not, you're going to click on Advanced Options. And now for the second method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. And now this will come up. If you have a restore point enabled on your computer, you're going to click on Next, go back to your restore point. Hopefully this will now fix your problem. If you do not have one, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. And now for the third method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now you're going to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. If you get this error, just ignore it. And now you're going to type in bootrec /scan os. Click on Enter again. And now you're going to type in bootrec /rebuild bcd. Click on Enter again. And now you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and I click on Enter again. You now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And then once that scan's been completed, you now want to close out of Command Prompt, continue to Windows, and then this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then you want to come back into this screen like I showed you how to do at the start of the video. Then you want to click on Troubleshoot, reset this PC. If you do not have your files backed up, you can go over Keep My Files. If you do have them backed up, you can go over Remove Everything. And you now want to reset your computer. This should now fix your problem.